I saw the article about the young lady that was brutally attacked by a quote-unquote man of unsound mind in Jamaica. And sadly enough, the story itself is not shocking to me. I'm not surprised by it. I'm disheartened. It's sad. It's devastating. It's heart-wrenching. It's one of those topics where I get get me very agitated. However, you know what my main problem is? Is the fact that this man of quote-unquote unsound mind is going to be placed behind bars or be placed into a mental institution. I am of a firm belief that once you commit certain acts, you are to be removed from this planet. This rhetoric, this idea where people have convinced themselves and people have convinced others that being in prison is somehow worse than being removed from existence is ridiculous. If you do something to my loved one like that, you have to be removed. I am not satisfied with you sitting behind bars, not paying bills, getting free health care, getting 2 to 3 meals per day. That is not satisfactory to me. I don't know about you and whoever else is having this idea where, all of a sudden, if you kill someone, you're a killer as well. What? That is madness, and I don't know how you have been so brainwashed to believe that someone kill your loved one, and for some reason you feel that if that person is killed in return, it's somehow bad. This man is not of unsound mind, and if he is, even if he is of unsound mind, the act that he committed, his mind being Pluto and him being here on earth, it does not matter. He needs to be removed from existence. And you people are going on a video the little girl as she's taking her last breath. What's wrong with you? What's seriously wrong with you? People, listen to me. You need to be safe. Take care of your loved ones. Be vigilant. Don't trust nobody.